massive engines roar to life,
2,
billowing clouds of exhaust,
1.
and in a blinding pillar of fire,
Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
a mighty Voyager leaves the Earth behind to explore the vast universe among the stars. Launching a rocket into space is one of humankind's crowning achievements. Although they come in many different shapes and sizes, all rockets are propelled by engines that produce thrust. The rockets that launch into space are made up of 4 major systems based on function. The structural system makes up the frame that holds a rocket together and consists of the cylindrical body, nose cone, and fins. Next, the propulsion system takes up the most amount of space and includes the rocket engine, fuel, and oxidizer. The payload system depends on each mission and consists of anything a rocket is carrying into space, like a spacecraft, satellite, or human being. Lastly, the guidance system is made up of radars and computers that provide stability for the rocket and control maneuvers in flight. In order to launch into space, all 4 of these rocket systems must work together to overcome the force of gravity. The launch begins when the rocket's propulsion system starts to generate a massive amount of thrust. Thrust is the force produced by burning fuel as exhaust gases escape through the engine. Once the rocket generates more thrust than its own weight, it lifts into the air to begin its powered ascent. During this phase of the flight, the weight of the rocket will constantly change as fuel continues to burn off. As a result, most space-bound rockets use a technique called staging to reduce dead weight and increase efficiency. The method involves breaking up a large rocket into 2 or 3 smaller rockets that fall away at different stages of the launch. As the rocket continues into orbit, its sophisticated guidance system maintains balance and steers to keep the flight trajectory on track. At the correct altitude and speed, the upper stage engine cuts off, completing the rocket's journey from Earth's surface into orbit.